it is very important to understand the different product offerings of Salesforce. There are three important ones: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. Sales Cloud is an application that will help manage the complete sales process, all the way from starting a campaign, generating leads, converting leads into accounts and opportunities, and following up on the opportunity till a sale is made or lost to competition. You can also perform analytics by building reports and dashboards using the data. I can help you understand this better with an example. Imagine I have a small business to sell office furniture, and we're using Sales Cloud to manage our sales process. I have the required inventory in my warehouse, and I also have recruited a couple of sales reps to start selling our products. It is quite important to bring awareness about our products by starting some kind of campaign. I can use the sales application to document the campaign. I can create a new campaign, give it a name, like Spring Sale, and we would like to spend money on Google AdWords instead of radio or TV. For some of you who are not familiar with Google AdWords, if I quickly search for office furniture, San Francisco, then I'm shown all these companies. When I click on these links, I'm routed to the respective online stores, because these companies would have purchased these AdWords from Google. Even you can purchase AdWords from Google and have them display links to your website. Coming back, we're going to run this campaign for about a month in December. We expect to generate a revenue of $500,000. These are all just assumptions for now. We plan on spending $10,000 for a campaign. We might know the actual cost once we purchase AdWords from Google. Out of every 100 people who look at our ads, we expect 2% of them to inquire about our products. Let me give this campaign some description and save it. Once we start running a campaign, our potential customers find us on the web and call in to inquire about the product they are interested in. These potential customers are called leads. When a lead calls in, we could have a person responsible for taking the calls and creating the leads in the object. Maybe the first name, last name, and company the person is calling from, their phone number, email, finally, what product they're interested in, and any special note, and the record is saved. Later, one of the sales reps can reach out to a lead. If the lead is interested in a product and wants more information about it, like a physical demo or even a price quote, that means it is worth pursuing this lead. Then this lead is converted to an account. When convert to lead, Salesforce creates a new account with the name of the company. Optionally, an opportunity can also be created. Since potential customer is interested in buying 200 office chairs, I'll call this opportunity 200 office chairs. I can choose to assign the task to someone if needed. I'll skip that for now and convert my lead. And behind the scene, a contact record is created with the name of the lead. This is the account that I just created. You can also see the related contact and the related opportunity. All these three objects, account, contact, and opportunity, are related to each other. Accounts are usually the names of companies who are your customers. Opportunities are nothing but your potential means to sell and make money. If another person from the same company wants to buy more products, then you don't have to create another account. You can create a new contact and a new opportunity under the same account. The sales rep tries to make progress on sale. Every time there is progress made, the stage of the opportunity is updated. And any interaction with the customer, including a phone call, is kept track in the activity history. For example, if the sales rep talked to the customer, the summary of the conversation is captured in the activity log. This really comes in handy. Just in case the sales rep working on this opportunity is on leave, another person should be able to quickly pull up the opportunity and understand what's going on without having to ask the customer. You can also document who your competitors are and who your partners are. You can also add attachments to this opportunity if required. As the sale progresses, the stage is updated. Finally, the opportunity is won or lost to competition. On this interaction was with respect to one sale, but in real time, there could be many interactions happening within the company. You could also build reports and dashboards on top of these interactions. You can think of all these objects as templates. You can use them only if required. You can create custom objects, fields, or rename existing fields if you need to. You can even customize them to meet your business process requirements. You can also build workflows and approval processes in your application. Let me now talk about the Service Cloud. Service Cloud is an application that can help manage a call center. When a customer calls in with respect to a product or service, the application lets you create cases, assist customers with solutions, and the application can be completely customized to meet the business requirements. Let me give you an example. Dell is a company that sells computers and other electronics. A customer bought a Dell laptop, and when they have a problem, they call the 1-800 number. The support agent takes the call to find out the issue. The agent can pull out the customer information based on the account or contact, and then create a case with some description. And the agent can look up to the solutions object to find out if there is any solution that exists. The solution object is pre-populated with all the solutions beforehand. You can quickly look at the solution, troubleshoot the issue, and close the case. You can also configure and customize workflows and approvals based on your business process. And you can also build reports and dashboards to understand things like who are the top 5 support agents who solve the most number of cases, or even average time taken to solve a case, etc. There is also a nice communication tool called Chatter. Chatter is like Twitter, but within the company. You can send messages to other people. You can also follow others, create groups, share files, conduct polls, and also use it for private messaging. Let me give you an example of how Chatter can be used in sales scenario. I am the sales rep trying to work on an opportunity. I need my manager Jack's approval on the code, and I also need some help from Susie, who's our support engineer. I can message Jack and Susie right from Chatter. Jack, I need your approval on the code. Susie, I need help with some documentation on the installation procedure. Now, Susie can quickly reply me right within Chatter and also share attachments that I've asked for. Any other user can also quickly follow this conversation, all this without any email. In a call center scenario, in solving complex cases, multiple support agents can seamlessly collaborate using Chatter and solve cases faster. Chatter has potential to replace internal email within companies. Chatter is tightly integrated with sales and service cloud applications. Let me talk about Marketing Cloud. Every company out there has presence on social media. Let me give you this example of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has a Facebook page, a Twitter handle, and also a LinkedIn page. Customers tend to like products or even tweet about them, and companies would really like to understand what customers think about the brand or newly launched product. Using Marketing Cloud, you can set up listening tools to gather insights about your brand or products and understand customer interest, sentiment, and mood on social media platforms. And then you can publish highly targeted content. All these applications run on the Post.com platform. Salesforce has opened up the platform for companies or developers who would like to extend the functionality of standard applications or even build custom apps. To understand the pricing of their services, you can navigate to products and click on Pricing in Editions. Here you can find the different editions of all the products and the pricing. If you need more details, you can even download the full edition comparison.